In this video, I'm going to compare Monzo, Starling, and Revolut, three major digital banking apps in the UK, to help you figure out which one fits your lifestyle best. Let's start with Monzo. It's designed for people who love budgeting, saving in pots, and tracking spending. It also supports early direct deposit and works well for UK-based daily banking. International use is good but has a withdrawal cap on free plans. Starling is more polished for all-around banking. It gives you interest on your current balance, unlimited fee-free international ATM withdrawals, and powerful tools even for small business owners. Then there's Revolut. It's built for global users. You get multi currency accounts, crypto and stock trading, budgeting, and travel perks. But Revolut isn't a UK licensed bank. It's an e money provider. That means your funds are protected differently, though still regulated. So, which one should you choose? Choose Monzo, best for budgeting and simplicity. Starling is best for full feature banking and travel. Revolut is best for digital nomads and advanced features. And that's about it. That's how you choose between Monzo, Starling, and Revolut.